Hey guys, it's Morgan Zegers, and while huge news right now is coming out for the Supreme Court about the overturning of Roe v. Wade, there's actually another big case making headlines too. The Supreme Court just upheld the right to pray at a school sports game. Here's what you need to know. In the case of Kennedy v. Bremerton School District, a decision needed to be made about a high school football coach's right to pray on the field after the game. The Supreme Court decided to uphold the coach's First Amendment right of free speech regarding prayer in a 6-3 vote. More specifically, the Supreme Court ruled that by preventing him from praying on the field way back in 2015 and then forcing him out of his job over the issue, the school district violated his free speech rights. It turns out the coach had been praying for years like this at games, and his student athletes had even asked eventually to join in, to which he would answer something along the lines of, "Hey, this is a free country, you could do what you want, feel free to come." The practice actually became a tradition and part of the team culture, but after several years of doing it, the woke culture came to push back on it. The coach and the school started to receive complaints. The school had been stopping him from praying on the field because they believed allowing him to do so would mean that the school district was endorsing his religion specifically. The 3 dissenting judges in the case believed the coach was actively leading prayer at a school event. Their written dissent saying, quote, "This case is a case about whether a public school must permit a school official to kneel, bow his head, and say a prayer at the center of a school event. The Constitution does not authorize, let alone require, public schools to embrace this conduct," end quote. But as Justice Neil Gorsuch states, quote, "Simply put, the coach's prayers did not owe their existence to Mr. Kennedy's responsibility as a public employee," end quote. He went on to say, quote, "The timing and circumstances of Mr. Kennedy's prayers confirm the point. Coaches were free to attend briefly to personal matters, everything from checking sports scores on their phones to greeting friends and family in the stands," end quote. I'm glad the Supreme Court decided this, and it's really nice to see more pro-religion decisions being handed down in an era of godless leftist wokeness.